going to teach you sentence constructions. What is sentence? You have read earlier in grade 1. Sentence are a group of words which make complete sense. Okay. It means when you put some words together for completing your thoughts is called sentence. Okay. See example. We are playing. हम खेल रहे हैं. Okay. Now see the sensible sentence or insensible sentence or incomplete sentence. Sensible sentence also called complete sentence. Sensible sentence always includes subject. Sensible sentence के अंदर हमेशा subject होता है. For example, I am a girl. Whom we are talking about? I. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? I के बारे में. So it is a complete sentence. We are reading a book. हम बुक पढ़ रहे हैं. Whom we are talking about? We. We के बारे में बात हो रही है ना? हमारे बारे में बात हो रही है. So it is subject and it is sentence. Okay, because there is subject in this sentence. See what is incomplete sentence? In incomplete sentence there is no subject. Incomplete sentence में कोई subject नहीं होता है. For example, plays cricket. Who play cricket? We don't know. हमें नहीं पता ना कौन खेल रहा है. So there is no subject, so it is not a sentence. Finished lunch. Who finished lunch? We don't know na. So it is not a complete sentence. It is not a sentence. Let's see more example. Taking lunch. Who taking lunch? We don't know. So it is not a sentence because there is no subject. I am taking lunch. Okay, so there is subject because we know who is taking lunch. I. So it is a complete sentence. Waiting for train. Who is waiting for train? We don't know. So it is not a sentence. Filza is waiting for train. Filza train का wait कर रही है. So there is a subject. Filza is a subject. So it is a complete sentence. So this exercise you will do. Tick the correct sensible sentence. Here you have to tick the correct sentence. Which sentence? Which is sentence, which is not. Okay. We are doing online classes. हम online classes कर रहे हैं. It is a sentence because there is a subject. So you will tick like this. Okay. What I have done and the remaining you will do. Let's learn sentence part. There are two parts of sentence. Subject and predicate. Subject is also called naming part. Why it is called naming part? Because it includes noun. Okay. Noun means name of person, place or thing. Subject is the doer of the sentence. Who do actions and whom we are talking about. जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं या फिर जो action करता है that is called subject. And predicate is called telling part. Predicate tells about the action of subjects and tells about the subjects. Okay, predicate subject के बारे में बताता है. Predicate may be one word or more than one word. Same with subject. Subject may be one word or more than one word. See subject. Subject includes noun or pronouns. Noun and pronouns come under subject, or it includes all words come before noun in a sentence. Noun से पहले जितने भी words आते हैं sentence में वो सारे हम subject consider करेंगे. Okay, for example, Jack and Jill. There are two nouns, so these three words are subjects. Joy's pen. Joy का pen. Pen is also noun and joy is also noun. So we will include all. It is also called noun phrase. Okay, three little dog. Dog is a animal and it is a noun, and before dog there are two words, so there are three words. So we will include all three words. Three little dog. One pink shirt. Shirt is a thing and before shirt there are two words more, so it is whole subject. There is a pronoun, so it is a subject. We is a pronoun, so it is a subject. Delhi is the name of a place, so it is subject. Now see predicate. Predicate, it start with verb and include all words come after verb in a sentence. Okay, it means words come it means सेंटेंस में वर्ब से पहले वर्ब के बाद जितने भी वर्ड्स आते हैं उसको हम प्रेडिकेट बोलेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, प्लेस cricket. Plays is a verb and after plays there is cricket, so you will include whole. Plays cricket is a predicate. Bakes a cake. Bakes is a verb and a cake comes after bake, so you will include whole. Bakes a cake is a predicate. Reads a book. Drive a car. Talking so much. These are all called predicate. Okay. Now see more examples. Adiba is making a tea. Adiba is a noun. It is a name of a girl, so it is subject. And after is whole will be predicate. Predicate start with helping verb or main verb. So is the helping verb, and after this these words are come, so it include all predicate. The cat. Cat is a noun and before cat the is there, so the cat will be subject. Okay. Chest the mouse. Chest is a verb, so you will include predicate from here to here. Okay, it is all predicate. We is a subject. We study in grade 2. We is a subject and study in grade 2 is a predicate. Okay, so आप देख रहे हैं ना कि वर्ब के बाद जितने भी वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं वो सारा हमारा प्रेडिकेट में आ जाता है और सब्जेक्ट से पहले, नाउन से पहले जो भी वर्ड आता है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट में आ जाता है. ओके, द बिग yet. Yet is a, yet means now. Okay, the big yet is whole subject. Yet is a noun and the big come before noun, so you will include it. So you will include it subject. Is sailing in sea. बड़ी नाव सी में चल रही है. So is sailing in sea will be predicate. Okay, in the same way you will do exercise. Let's learn subject and object in a sentence. Now you are well known. What is subject? Subject is the doer of the actions or whom we are talking about. It can be both person or thing, noun or pronoun. Subject may be person, place or thing, or maybe pronoun. Okay, an object is the receiver of action in a sentence. It is a giver and it is a receiver. Receiver of sentence. Receiver of action in sentence. An object is a part of a predicate. Okay, and it can be both person or thing. Subject can be both person or thing, and predicate can be both. Object can be both person and thing. Noun or pronoun. It can be both noun and pronoun also. Okay. Let's see example of subject and object. First see this chart. You know there are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate, and object come under predicate. Okay. Now see examples. Subject with green color and verb with red color and object is with blue color. What is verb? Verbs are action words. Okay. The dog barks at the boy. Okay. See, the dog is a subject and it is also a noun. Okay. And bark is a verb, is action verb. And the boy is a object. And it is also a noun. Okay. What dog do? Dog barking on the boy. So boy is the receiver of the action. Okay, and so it is subject. See the next sentence. The fruit fell on the line. Okay, the fruit is a subject and the fell is verb. The line is a object. Fruit किस पर पड़ा? Line पे. Who is the receiver of action? Line. So the line is a object. I asked her. I is a subject and I is a pronoun also, and ask is a verb. Ask means पूछना and her is a pronoun and is objects. In the same way, you have to search subject, verb and object in the exercises. Hope you understood well. See you later. Allah Hafiz.